Throughout the year, coaches will explore the value of building trust with teachers using coaching language and stances to support them in creating and sustaining optimal learning environments. They will engage teachers in coaching conversations by paraphrasing, asking clarifying and mediational questions, and providing non judgmental responses, along with navigating through the instructive, collaborative, and facilitative coaching stances to dive deeply into the work and set action steps with teachers to support their practice. In addition to examining the how of coaching by working through the teaching and coaching cycle with the high leverage tools, instructional coaches will connect coaching language and stances for differentiated coaching to build relationships, autonomous teachers, transparency of practice, and processing methods used in professional learning to discover ways in which they could apply the learning to their work with teachers to ultimately impact classroom practice. Please click the link at the bottom of the page to access this instructional coaching language document, as well as the document on the instructional coaching stances that we'll be using throughout the year.